Greetings. This is eSpin Trinity, and I'm ecstatic to offer my support for the upcoming presentation. Our primary focus is to provide you with exceptional service that meets and exceeds your expectations. Server security, secure deployment and configuration. What is a server? A server is a specialized computer system or software application built to provide functionality or services to other computers, devices, or users within a network. It facilitates communication, data storage, processing, and resource sharing among network devices. There are many types of servers. Among the common types are file servers, web servers, email servers, application servers, DNS servers, and proxy servers. Servers serve as the foundation of IT infrastructure and offer capabilities necessary to support the modernization of IT systems, data management and analytics, application deployment, communication and collaboration, and customer engagement and experience initiatives. These diverse functionalities of servers make them prone to cyber attacks, hence, server security is critical. The importance of secure server configuration. Server configuration is key for server security. Establishing robust server security involves implementing security measures such as access control and secure configurations practices. Access control includes server authentication, authorization, the least privilege principle, access control policies, and audit logging, while secure configuration involves setting up server parameters and options. This includes actions such as disabling unnecessary services and protocols, removing default accounts and passwords, implementing strong password policies, enabling encryption, and managing patches. Overall, proper server configuration plays a significant role in establishing robust server security, as malicious actors see it as a gold mine to diverse data that are exploitable for numerous cyber attacks techniques. Secure server configuration is crucial in safeguarding servers against associated security risks. Common security risks associated with servers include malware and virus that enter servers through various methods such as USB drivers, SQL injection into web pages, social engineering attacks, malicious file uploads and compromised credential. Unauthorized access through weak authentication mechanisms configured on servers such as simple passwords. Data breaches due to improper management of access controls, weak encryption, or vulnerabilities exploited by attackers. Insider threats through malicious actions conducted by authorized users, including employees, contractors, or business partners intentionally or unintentionally. Denial of service, DOS, attacks caused by botnets, drive-by download and exploited web browsers. Thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation. It's our sincere hope that you found it both valuable and informative. If you have any inquiries, please don't hesitate to visit our website or send us an email at info@e-spincorp.com. Once again, we appreciate your time, and we wish you a fantastic day ahead.